have Kids International.
What's this? Tiger. Tiger, good. Shark. Very good. Cheetah. Good. Hawk. Panda. Gorilla. Lion. Very good. Rhino. Koala. Monkey. Hippo. Zebra. Elephant. Snake. Kangaroo. And flamingo. Okay guys, you ready? Put your hands together. Zoom Zoom Aeroplane. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name? Hello Zardel. And how old are you, Zardel? 3 years old. 3 years? Okay, oh, good job. And sweetheart, what animal do you want to be? Zebra. Zebra, good girl. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Good girl. Okay, hop on the plane. Yes, stick him on. Here. Good girl. Okay, guys, ready? Zyra, hey! Zyra, hey! Ready, girls? Zoom, zoom, aeroplane. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name? Wow, good girl. Hello, Udin. And Udin, how old are you? 3 years old. Wow, good girl. And what animal do you want to be, darling? Flamingo. Good girl. Okay, guys, ready? Oorin, hey! Oorin, hey! Zoom, zoom, zoom! We're off to Erin. Ready, girls? Zoom, zoom, aeroplane. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name? Hello, Erin. And Erin, how old are you? 5 years old. Good girl. And what animal would you like to be, sweetheart? Elephant. Erin, elephant. Good girl. Good job. Okay, girls, ready? Erin, hey! Erin, hey! Zoom, 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 zoom! Around to Ria. Ready? Zoom, zoom, aeroplane. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name? Hello, Ria. And Ria, how old are you? 42. Wow, good girl. And Ria, what animal would you like to be? I want to be? What's that? Hippo. Good girl. Good girl, Ria. Okay, guys, ready? Ria, hey! Ria, hey! Zoom, zoom, zoom! Okay, girls, ready? Zoom, zoom, aeroplane. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Mio.
Hello, Mio. And Mio, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow, good girl. And what animal would you like to be? I want to be a
Shark.
good shark. Sherry. Ready? Me.